In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert personal to business or professional account on Instagram. So first I open Instagram app on my Android phone. Now click on this logo, again click on this three dot menu. Now scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You can see account type and tools. And if you can see switch to professional account, switch to professional new account. So I need to professional account, right? Now click on next, again select your category. So maybe I choose blogger, you can choose anyone. Now okay, I click display on profile and creator of business, so I choose creators because this is my personal. Share login using account center, continue. Okay, I skip this option, it's already going to professional account. So if you have guys this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.